This white dual-fuel cooker from Stoves is a great choice if you want a brilliant quality model with helpful features and flexible cooking space. Both ovens have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main electric oven has a 65-litre capacity, whereas the second oven is a little smaller with a medium-sized 37-litre capacity. There are 4 gas burners on the hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. This model's wok burner is great if you enjoy cooking fresh food fast. The large ring delivers an intense, concentrated, powerful flame to the bottom of your pans for quick and even cooking. So whether you're deep frying or steaming, the versatile wok burner is the perfect choice. The main electric fan oven provides a fast, effective, and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavors. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf, and because the hot air is constantly moving, flavors won't transfer, so you can make a variety of dishes at the same time. If you're looking for excellent features and flexible cooking space, this brilliant quality dual-fuel cooker from Stoves is the right choice for you.